Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to insert SIM card into POCO X7 Pro. In order to do this, you need to prepare the pin ejector, as we need to, of course, eject the SIM tray. The SIM tray can be located at the bottom of the device. It is located over here. On the left side we have this hole, and we need to insert the pin into that hole. Once we are in, simply push the pin so that the SIM tray comes out just a little bit. As you can see, it is now out, and we need to use our fingers in order to take it out fully. Now over here we have the SIM 1 slot. Let me try to get the focus. There we go, we have SIM 1, and of course at the back we have SIM 2, so we can insert two SIM cards at the same time. And now let's insert the card. Try to do this from the left side first if you have issues. There we go. If the SIM card doesn't stick out, then of course it means that it is fully in. As you can see, I cannot really drop it if I shake it like that. And the same goes with the SIM 2. It goes the same way. And there we go. Just push it slightly, gently with your fingers. And there we go. We have two SIM cards installed. Now we can put it back in. Of course, on the left side we had the hole, so make sure that it is the same case now if you place it back in, and just push it with your finger. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!